Okay, good morning everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, December 16th. It's midweek, not much in the way of fresh news. Overnight trade is firming the last time I looked a little bit from being two-sided. Got wheat market up around 2 cents, the corn market up fractionally, bean market up 2 cents. Meal market unchanged, but the soybean oil market down around 20 points. Once again, not much in the way of fresh news. 3 topics that are going to be looked at here today. Number 1 will be to see if the U.S. Congress can come to some decision on biodiesel credits, either being going to the blenders and or to producers. It looks like it's leaning towards going to blenders, which will not give the soybean oil usage that much of a greater advantage than if it was to go to the blenders. So with the rally that we've been on in soybean oil, that may be a little bit negative for it. Second thing is that we'll see if the Argentinian government wants to devalue their peso. Not so much about the devalue, more important will be is a farmer down there that's sitting on past years of grain and oilseeds will want to move that grain, and that would be somewhat negative to the marketplace as far as bringing it in commercial selling. And then third thing, trade will be kind of monitoring and seeing if the U.S. Central Bank wants to go and raise interest rates. Other than that, in the demand side for U.S., which hasn't been all too preppy this week, we saw our exports be shabby on Monday. Yesterday we had a NOPA crush report that came in smaller than trade estimates. We're going to have a weekly ethanol report this morning. Trade is looking for maybe a smaller ethanol production number than a week ago, and perhaps this buildup of stocks. And then tomorrow we'll have our weekly export sales report. So the demand news hasn't been really too strong this week, at least up to this point. Other than that, we continue to monitor South American weather. They continue to stay on a steady pace. Trade may be looking for 80 or 98 to 100 million ton crop down there. USDA is currently at 100 million tons, so no real problems in Brazil and or Argentina at this point in time. So that remains somewhat of a non-bearish environment. And then the only thing is that yesterday was the cutoff day for the next commitment of trade report, of which we still have the specs moderate to sizable net shorts in wheat, corn, beans, and meal, but still net long the soybean oil. So 3 topics today: the devaluation in Argentina, blenders credits, U.S. interest rates, maybe taking the forefront for price direction, but overall we still think it's a non-bullish environment trend-wise for the whole market going forward. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.